Cooking sustainably is an excellent way to reduce our carbon footprint while still enjoying delicious meals. Sustainable cooking involves using environmentally friendly ingredients, reducing food waste, and choosing recipes that require less energy to prepare. In this video, we will tell 10 sustainable recipes that are not only delicious but also low carbon footprint. Make sure you subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Vegetable stir-fry with tofu. Vegetable stir-fry is a quick and easy meal that can be made with a variety of fresh vegetables. Use seasonal vegetables from your local farmer's market to reduce the carbon footprint associated with transporting food. Tofu is a great plant-based protein that has a lower environmental impact than meat. Saute your favorite vegetables, such as bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots, with tofu in a hot pan. Add a simple sauce made from soy sauce, garlic, and ginger for a flavorful, sustainable meal. Number 2. Lentil and Vegetable Soup. Soups are a fantastic way to use up leftover vegetables and reduce food waste. Lentil and vegetable soup is hearty, nutritious, and easy to make. Lentils are a sustainable protein source that requires less water and land to produce compared to animal proteins. Combine lentils with a mix of vegetables like tomatoes, spinach, and carrots. Simmer the ingredients with vegetable broth and spices until the lentils are tender. Serve with a slice of whole grain bread for a complete, eco-friendly meal. Number 3. Quinoa Salad with roasted vegetables. Quinoa is a versatile grain that is high in protein and can be grown in various climates, making it a sustainable choice. For a delicious quinoa salad, cook the quinoa according to package instructions and let it cool. Roast a selection of vegetables, such as sweet potatoes, zucchini, and bell peppers, with a drizzle of olive oil and your favorite herbs. Mix the roasted vegetables with the quinoa and toss with a simple dressing made from lemon juice, olive oil, and a touch of honey. This salad is perfect for meal prepping and can be enjoyed cold or at room temperature. Number 4. Chickpea and Spinach Curry. Curry dishes are flavorful and can be made with a variety of plant-based ingredients. Chickpeas are an excellent source of protein and have a lower environmental impact than meat. In a large pot, saute onions, garlic, and ginger until fragrant. Add chickpeas, spinach, and a can of coconut milk. Season with curry powder, cumin, and coriander. Simmer until the spinach is wilted and the chickpeas are heated through. Serve over brown rice or with whole wheat naan for a satisfying, sustainable meal. Number 5. Mushroom Risotto. Mushroom risotto is a comforting dish that can be made sustainably by using locally sourced mushrooms and vegetable broth. In a large pan, saute onions and garlic in olive oil. Add arborio rice and stir until the rice is coated with oil. Slowly add warm vegetable broth, 1 ladle at a time, stirring constantly until the liquid is absorbed. Continue adding broth until the rice is creamy and tender. Stir in sauteed mushrooms and a handful of fresh herbs like parsley or thyme. Number 6. Black Bean Tacos. Tacos are a fun and versatile meal that can easily be made sustainable by using plant-based fillings. Black beans are a great source of protein and have a lower environmental impact than meat. For black bean tacos, heat a can of black beans with cumin, chili powder, and a bit of lime juice. Serve the beans in whole wheat tortillas with your favorite toppings, such as diced tomatoes, avocado, and shredded lettuce. This meal is quick to prepare and perfect for a weeknight dinner. Number 7. Spinach and mushroom stuffed peppers. Stuffed peppers are a colorful and nutritious meal that can be made with a variety of fillings. For a sustainable version, use spinach and mushrooms as the main ingredients. Cut the tops off bell peppers and remove the seeds. Saute spinach and mushrooms with garlic and onions. Mix the vegetables with cooked quinoa or brown rice. Stuff the peppers with the mixture and bake in the oven until the peppers are tender. Number 8. Sweet potato and black bean enchiladas. Enchiladas are a flavorful and filling meal that can be made sustainably by using plant-based ingredients. Sweet potatoes and black beans make a great combination for the filling. Cook and mash sweet potatoes, then mix them with black beans, cumin, and a bit of lime juice. Roll the mixture in whole wheat tortillas and place them in a baking dish. Top with your favorite enchilada sauce and bake until heated through. Serve with a side of fresh salsa and avocado for a delicious, eco-friendly meal. Number 9. Zucchini noodles with pesto. Zucchini noodles, or zoodles, are a low-carb and sustainable alternative to traditional pasta. They are quick to prepare and can be enjoyed raw or lightly sautéed. For a simple and delicious meal, spiralize zucchini into noodles and toss with homemade pesto. To make the pesto, blend fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, olive oil, and a bit of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor. Number 10. Cauliflower fried rice. Cauliflower fried rice is a healthy and sustainable alternative to traditional fried rice. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes. For cauliflower fried rice, pulse cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble rice grains. In a large pan, sauté onions, garlic, and ginger in a bit of oil. Add the cauliflower rice and your favorite vegetables such as peas, carrots, and bell peppers. Season with soy sauce and a touch of sesame oil. That's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section or message us on our Instagram page, Green Life Guide. Also, subscribe to our channel, Green Life Guide, for more updates. Thank you.